What's up, YouTube? Keanu with here today. I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about my new toy here, my Roland RH-200S, because they're the silver ones, earphones. I use them primarily for my V drums, which I'll do another a video on a little later. Um, I primarily use them to practice, play along with some songs, play some beats without music, whatever the case may be. You can use them on your iPhone or iPod, whatever, and stuff like that too, to listen to music. But besides that, these earphones are incredible. I had a really old, crappy pair of over-ear headphones that I was using that were really not designed for what I was using them for at all. And I needed a little upgrade. My girlfriend got these for me for my birthday. I was looking at them for a while. I was looking at the RH-300s, but they were a little pricey. So I opted to go for these ones because the specs were about the same, and Roland is always a good product. So yeah, that's what I had to say on those. So here are some of the specifications are on the back of the box. It's just like the basic stuff: the length of the cord, the resistance, the impedance, the maximum input sensitivity, and whatnot. It does also say here, I was going to show you after, it shows you here that you have the mini plug inside the quarter-inch plug adapter. You have like a little screw-on adapter here. This piece right here, you can unscrew it, and underneath it, one second, underneath it is your standard 3.5 millimeter earphone jack. So like I said, you can use it on a phone, an iPod, whatever you listen to your music to. And you can also use your quarter-inch jack here, which has the 3.5 there, on other pieces of equipment you may want to use. This is just a box, it's nothing special. It says the brand, the model, whatever. And here are the earphones themselves. As you can, they're quite nice. I like the silver. They had a couple of other colors where the round part here was like a dark gray or something. So I didn't really like it that much. I like the silver ones. They're pretty cool. This is the headband, again, rolling on top. It has like a little padding inside. The padding for the ears here. And obviously the speaker right there in the middle. The padding does an excellent job at sealing out the sound from outside the earphones. You can barely hear, like in my case for the V drums, I can barely hear my sticks hitting on the rubber pads and the mesh pad for the snare and whatnot. So that does an excellent job. The bass is nice and deep and clear. There's no like when the volume's too loud, sometimes you get earphones that like rumble-ish. These ones don't do that at all, no matter how loud the volume is on the drums or the song they're playing along with. So that's awesome, because my old earphones really had that problem. I could barely have a clear sound with any hard-hitting song that I was playing along with. You can also see the cord is quite long. I'm pretty sure it's about 11 feet. I think it's like what is that? Like 3 meters, almost 3 meters or something like that. Here, I know it's all tangled up. One second, guys. But it's a pretty long cord. I have to wrap it around a couple of times to not get tangled on my drum set. And it does have this little spring here, I guess you could say, that helps protect the wire, I guess, from starting to crack over time as it like bends around here and stuff like that. It's just like a little bit of extra support, which is pretty cool. So that aspect of it is awesome, and especially the fact that it comes with the adapter that you can screw on and screw off. It's really cool. I'd like to show you guys like a little audio sample, but I tried to record some music coming out of the earphones with my microphone, and it really didn't do it justice. So I don't want to, turn you guys off to buying these if you're looking for a pair of earphones. They're labeled here left and right, so you know obviously which side goes where, which is pretty cool, I guess. I mean, a lot of earphones have that, but I mean, it's cool that they have like a little color coding thing like that. You can adjust the size as well. Up here, you just pull on it, pull down, pull ups, and they extend, and you can push it back in. And they're like that, which is pretty cool. They're very comfortable. Now, they are really light earphones, which is good because you don't want to feel it on your head. But, I mean, it doesn't take away from the quality, but they do feel a little cheaper because they're so light. The left side is okay because it has the weight of the wire, but I find the right side a little bit, like, floppy. It's really easy to, like, when you pick them up and open them to put over your head, usually like it flops downwards. It's the only thing that's kind of annoying. And sometimes you can hear like a little plastic shaking when you move your head and stuff, especially on the right side. because it doesn't have the extra weight of the cord coming out here. But besides that, these earphones are incredible. The first time I tried them, I was freaking out. I called one of my friends that his dad's a drummer just to tell him how awesome these earphones are because I couldn't get over the sound quality. Now, I haven't listened to just music with them yet. I mean, like, through my TD11, sure I have, while playing along with the songs or just, like, picking a song, whatever. But just on my phone, I haven't. Now, because these earphones are high impedance, you do need to have a decent amount of power coming out of the whatever you're listening to your music on. So on the iPhone, like I said, I haven't tried it yet. I'm not sure. You will get like good sound, but the volume might not be as high as if you're using your Apple earbuds or your standard earphones. But because you can unscrew the jack, you can test it on all kinds of equipment to see which ones work best with it. I know there's some phones now that are coming out that are starting to support high impedance earphones to have like good quality, good sounding quality and stuff like that. But yeah, for the most part, for what I use them for, they are incredible. Especially compared to the old earphones I had before. They're really old, like 90s head over ear headphones that I had. That they just really weren't up to par, especially for listening to music while playing on the drums. And the V drums, you can like adjust your volume separately and stuff like that, so it can get loud. So because of that, I opted to get like a better set. And like I said, these aren't the newest ones. These are the RH-200s. The 300s specifically for the V drums have come out, but they're still kind of expensive. And I'm not rich, so I opted for these ones because again, the specs were more than enough than what I needed. And Roland's an excellent brand, and I really like my V drums, so I figured I might as well stick with the same company. But here, I showed you guys before, but here again are the specs, just so you can, if you want to check them out. The sensitivity, the input, the frequency, the weight, the cord, all this stuff. And that's basically it. I'm sorry for the crappy video to go along with my review. I just wanted to do this quickly to get this to you guys ASAP. I got these a couple of days ago. I was just really enjoying playing with them. I just wanted to get around to making a video for you guys. So if you are looking for a good set of headphones, whether it's for a keyboard or drums or just to listen to music in general, the RH-200s are excellent earphones. They're very comfortable. They have good soundproofing. The mids are crisp. The highs are nice. The lows are nice and clean. They don't... they're really excellent earphones. I recommend them to anybody. And considering with shipping, I got them on eBay. With shipping, they came out to $126 Canadian. I really don't know how much that is in US or whatever, but considering the quality of these for $100, because the shipping was the 20-something dollars, for $100 you cannot go wrong with these earphones. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. Again, sorry for the unedited video. I just wanted to show you guys what they look like, the specs of them and whatnot, the little accessory that it came with here with the detachable 1/4-inch jack. They are both gold plated, which is awesome because, a better conductance, better sound quality and stuff. They are stereo headphones. There's no switch between mono and stereo or like independent volume. My other earphones did have that. There's like a little switch on the side that you can put it between mono and stereo, and you can adjust the volume of each side, but they're so old that like it barely works. So it's not good for my V drum. So that's why I got these. So I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and I will try to help you with whatever I can. I will try to get to record these playing some songs. I'll stick my mic in between the two and let them play as soon as I get a better microphone, because like I said, I tried with the one I'm using and it just wasn't, it didn't do it justice, because seriously, these things sound amazing. I'm going to try them on some other pieces of equipment, listening to some music, watching a movie, whatever, and I will let you guys know how they perform in that category, because like I said, I only tried them on my TD11, my V drums, which is kind of what they're designed for the electric instruments. But like I said, I'll let you guys know how they perform just for listening to music and stuff. I mean, like I said, it still depends on also what you're using to listen to music, because these headphones are designed for a certain thing, but I'm sure they'll perform greatly. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, questions, comments, whatever, leave them in the description. Make a video response, whatever you guys feel like you want to do. Let me know how I'm doing making my videos. You guys have any tips, tricks, anything you guys want me to cover, stuff like that. I will be making a video on my TD11 drum set soon. It's just kind of a mess right now. It's not set up nice and clean. There's like wires and stuff everywhere. So I want to clean that up nice for you guys before I go ahead and make a video of that. So you guys know what it's like. I'll explain a little bit of the kits that are in it and the stuff that you can play around with. It's a really awesome V-drum set. Anyways, guys, I will make another video soon, and I look forward to reading your comments. Have a good one. Ciao.